Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve rotate on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can go to force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.